Hello, Tealstreeters. If you're looking to set up your Apex Omni API keys, here's a quick and easy guide to get you started. Log into your account and head over to the API Management tab. Click on Generate API. Enter your preferred API name. Then, make sure to enable Restrict to Trusted IPs only and add the Tealstreet provided IP addresses. Once that's done, click Confirm. If you experience repeated timeouts, click on the Tealstreet WebSocket. It's generally recommended to keep this box checked for a more stable connection. Give this exchange a name you prefer. Choose a color if you'd like, and then copy and paste your API key, secret key, and passphrase. Now click Done on the Apex Omni website. Next, you'll need the Omni key seed. You can find it right here. Just copy it. Head over to the Tealstreet terminal, paste the Omni key seed, and click Add. You're now all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you'd like to support our platform, consider using our referral link.